Hello everyone, this is my review of the Myna Snacks Midnight Mini Cookies. These are deep chocolate velvety white chips with sea salt. They are GMO free, gluten free, and good for vitamin D. And they don't have any artificial flavors or colors in it. They're grain free, plant based, so vegans should like that. And they're sweetened with coconut, which I love coconut. Let's take a look and see what they look like. It's a nice smell in there. I like the packaging. They can reseal the packaging so you don't eat them all at one time. That's good. Opening them, you have a nice fresh smell to them. These cookies are bite-sized, so they're easy to pop in your mouth to eat them. And they're a little bit flaky, so they'll do leave a lot of crumbs. But that's okay. They taste pretty good. They have a nice cookie flavor to them. Now let's give them the ultimate test. Let's see how they do with milk. Let's see how they dunk. They soak up the milk really well, so you can see that milk is soaked into a cookie, and it tastes good. It's great with milk. So yeah, these are really good, and I highly recommend you get these cookies for a great snack. They also float in milk, so you could get them in there and dunk them down and be able to pick them out easy. Put a whole bunch of them in there and just eat them fully soaked with milk. So I highly recommend this product. I hope this review helps.